Hello everybody, I'm Dave the Computer Scientist, and in this video we are going to talk about Django. Django is an open source web framework like PHP but is programmed on Python. One main reason why I recommend Django is because it is secure, flexible, and is easy to learn. You can write your own basic Django application in a few minutes without worrying about security. Django has implemented good security against cross-site scripting, SQL injection, and cross-site request for aging. I will make some videos in the future to learn how to use Django, but you can check it for yourself on djangoproject.com, link in the description. That's all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to check our social media, link in the description. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. If you want to support the channel, go to my Patreon, link in the description. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one.